Hi, welcome back to Duggani sisters. Today we'll be learning about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but an expression variable less constant. I repeat once again, algebraic expression is nothing but a combination of expression. In expression we can see variable and a constant. For instance, 4x plus 5. Here x is variable. Now variable can accept any value, so it can be any value. For instance, x can be 3, 5 or 10 and so on. It can accept any value, so it is named as variable. Whereas 4 is constant, so x is multiplied with 4 and we got it as 4x, and 5 is again constant. So constant is nothing but a fixed value. Now variable expression is nothing but a combination of variable and a constant with the algebraic operations. Here 4 into x, 4 is constant and x is a variable and 5 is a constant. So let's learn more about the expressions. Yes, monomial. Now, monomial is an expression which has only one term. For instance, 4x square or 5y cube. Yes, so here you can observe that there is only one term. So it is named as monomial. So again here expression is a combination of variable. X is a variable. Now variable is represented by any alphabet. For instance, X, Y, Z, A, B, C and so on. This variable can accept any value and it is represented by English alphabets. So next is binomial. Now binomial is an expression which has two terms. For instance, 5x plus 3y. Here you have two terms. So it is called a binomial. Bi in the sense two. So 5a plus 6. So this is also called binomial. Next comes trinomial. An expression having three terms. Ax square plus bx plus c is a trinomial. You have here three terms. Or let me give one more example. 3a square plus 2ab plus b square is also termed as trinomial. Next comes polynomial. An expression having one or more terms is called a polynomial. An expression having one or more terms is called polynomial. I repeat once again, an expression having only one term is called monomial. An expression having two terms is called binomial. An expression having three terms is called trinomial. An expression having one or more terms is called polynomial. An expression having one or more terms is called polynomial. So here one or more terms. So monomial, binomial, trinomial also comes under polynomial. So it can be one or more term. So it's a general name for the expression. So polynomial, 4x square is a polynomial, 3x square plus 5z is a polynomial. Specifically, if we have only one term, monomial, two terms, binomial, three terms, trinomial. So general name of this is one or more terms. If you have, it is called polynomial. So next, let me explain about like term, unlike term. Now term. Now term is a combination of variable and a constant, variable and constant. Now here terms are two types. Those are like term. Now for instance, I'll take 5x, 3x, 10x. Now here these are called like terms because the variable is the same. Now unlike term. 10xy, 15ab, 3l square. Here you can observe that the variable in the first term is xy, the variable here in the second term is ab, the variable is l square. So there is no common in these, so they are termed as unlike terms. Now next, let me explain about the factors of a term. Now as I told you, term is a combination of variable and a constant. So 4xy. Now what are the factors of it? Factors of 4xy are, now 4xy can be written as 4 into x into y. So here 4 is a factor of 4 is a factor 4 is a factor of 4xy, x is a factor of 4xy, y is a factor of 4xy. So the each one is nothing but a factor of the whole term. So this factors can be represented in the form of tree method. For instance, the same example I am taking 4xy. So this term factors I can represent in a factor tree method. So 4xy, now I want to represent in a tree method. Now 4 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor. So this is called tree method. Factor tree method. Factor tree method. Now for example, let me take another example. 3x square plus 5. So 3x square plus 5. Now here 3x square, I am separating it again. So the factors of this are 3x, x, and here 5 and 1. So this is called factor tree method. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to write the factors of the each term and mention the in a tree method. Yes, these was the definitions and the explanation regarding the algebraic expression. Now in our daily life, where we use this expression, for example, if I specifically say that there are n number of boys standing in the ground and 5 more added. Now we are not sure about how many boys are there, and we are saying that 5 more have joined. So in these equation is nothing but this is an expression which is saying that there are n number of students already in the ground and 5 has joined. So in our daily life, if we are not sure about anything, we will be using they or a group of people. So in mathematics, if we are not sure about anything, we will be representing that with a variable. So if I say there are there are x number of trees and each tree has nearly 5 mangoes on it. So I don't know how many trees are there, but each tree is bearing 5 mangoes. So in that case, I don't know about the trees, but I know that each tree has 5 mangoes on it. So in that case, I can represent that equation of 5x. So an algebraic expression is nothing but an expression which is a combination of a constant and a variable. Now what is a variable? Variable is something which you are not sure about it, and the value of it will be varying. It depends on, for example, if I say x plus 5 is 10. So here x is equal to, now here because it is plus 5, when goes to the other side it becomes minus, and you will get x value as 5. The same value if I say x plus 5 is equal to 7. Now here x value will be 7 minus 5, that is 2. So here you can observe that the value of x is over here is 2 and the value of x over here is 5. So by this you can say that the value of x, value of variable, is not constant, it is going on varying, whereas the 5 remains the same. So 5 is called constant or a fixed value, but n is called a variable which can accept any value. So this was just introduction about the algebraic expression. In the next class I will be explaining about addition, subtraction, and how to find out the value of a variable as I have done. So this is a simple equation. So in the next class I will be showing you how to find out the value of it. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.